Sahana Bhavatu, my tribe. So here we are with the next zodiac sign, that is Aquarius. Aquarius for February 2025. So let's see what is the state of mind right now. Well, Aquarius seem to be very in a good state of mind. They are looking forward to a lot of good things in there. I think they are in a very adventurous mode. They love the adventure in their life, and right now they're just looking at that. Okay. Yes, work is fine. I feel they're not very clear about their goals, where they want to go, where they are heading in life. They're still searching, I feel. So before I go with the weekly reading, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because that is the only energy exchange you can give me for all the work that I put in. Sorry. So the first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. All right. So the first week is all about taking things in your control. Okay, either you are taking things in your control, or somebody next to you, especially a female who's elderly, could be a boss, mother, elder sister, or a friend who's elder to you, trying to create that control around you. Yeah. Yes, I think it is you yourself also who is creating circumstances that now I need to take control of everything, take charge of everything. And things are moving also in quickly because you are taking everything in your hand, which is a good thing. But be careful of somebody who's younger to you, who's trying to sneak behind your back, probably your social media, and try to gather information about you so that they can get back to you. So be careful of that. Okay, second week is about a lot of pressure at work. This pressure is not only coming from workspace, it is coming from your family also. Probably your boss is putting a lot of pressure on you, or if you are doing a business is going through some kind of changes, creating a lot of pressure. I don't know why I'm getting. You're renovating your shop or office or home, and you're not able to balance both. That's exactly what I'm getting. A lot of pressure, and the pressure is also coming that dunya kya bolegi. I have to do things according to people. So don't bother, because this thought is also bringing a lot of pressure in your life, right? So let's see what we have in the third week. Third week is end of a cycle, and this cycle is ending for better. You are rising, you're doing well. There is a lot of name fame, there is a lot of popularity, there is all the good things that you can think of in the world that is happening. Money stability is coming, relationship stability is coming, obstacles are less, everything is working smoothly in your life. Okay, now fourth week is all about all that I have thought, lot of options. Should I do this, should I do this, should I do this? Okay, you have lot of options around you, and somebody's also in a good position who's a pretty nice person, very good human being. Now this is a male or a person with a male energy is offering you some offer, but I feel there'll be another person who will also offer. These both offers are coming in work. So that is why you're getting confused, and you're all in your mind. I don't know what to do, whether I should go here or here. The other one is showing you a pentacle, is showing you money. See, I will give you money. And the other person is saying, I will make you a friend for life. So choice is yours, Aquarius. Let's see. I feel you should go for the person who's offering you long-term friendship, because that will turn into a pentacle later. But the person who's showing you the pentacle probably is a very practical and a very manipulative one. He wants to bring you on his or her side so that you can to win over that ego. So be very careful making any kind of decision in the fourth week of Feb. Okay, I feel that here you're going to get a little confused and overthinking might start. So you're thinking things. See, you're thinking of long term gains over here. Maybe further on that person could be more beneficial, but no. Right now, probably you don't know where to invest yourself in. You're stuck. You feel very stuck. Movement will happen, but that decision has to be made. Don't be confused and don't be closed. Try hanging out, or try going in, talking to both the people, and then go with your intuition. Don't get entangled in somebody's manipulation. And if somebody's showing you a very shiny thing, and then you get attracted there, you know what I mean? You all get attracted to the shiny thing, and then we go, then we realize, oh no, 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 we shouldn't have taken this decision. So take the right decision in the 4th week. It's going to benefit you long term, right? So yes, it's a good month, but take care of few things. Your mind is still not clear as to where you want to go, what you need to do. Should I not? All that. You're not able to make a decision, right? So let's see what we have in your relationship area reading. Please comment whether you want me to do this reading or no. So general energy for Aquarians in the month of Feb. Wow. General energy of Feb is rebuild. You're rebuilding things in your relationship. Probably you felt in the past you were not working as hard as you were in your relationship area. Now this relationship is not only love, this is general. It could be family, friends, brothers, sisters. It could be anything. Okay. So yes, you are building a relationship. Building a relationship for sure. Rebuilding a relationship. All that you had lost in the past. Now let's talk about something about people who are single. Alright. Single people need to heal, or rather they really need aura cleansing right now, because when we go through some kind of emotional issues, heartbreaks, a lot of other things, we gather a lot of negative energy around us. So here that I have a lot of videos on aura cleansing. You'll find it everywhere. Please go for some aura cleansing. Okay, it will help. Single people are still thinking as to they need to take a decision or no. I think they were thinking it. Right now they're opening up to welcoming balance in their life, welcoming love in their life, welcoming unconditional love, because they didn't believe in it. So now they are stepping into believing in unconditional love, creating a solid balance in your life. That is really nice. See, I'll tell you the best way. If you're unable to create any kind of balance in yourself, the masculine and feminine energy within you, you have to acknowledge your father's side and mother's side. And the best way to do is by chanting. I'm a big fan of chanting. Okay, I recommend everybody should do the chanting. Chant the Shiv mantra and Mata ka mantra, one mala, and that will really help you to balance your energy. So in Feb, I feel a lot of balance is coming to you. Okay, now people who are already in relationship, they are moving on from toxic past. Now few of you are going to separate from your loved one because it is not working, because you already have so many options, and the other people are going to rebuild their relationship. So there are two kinds of people over here. Some people are detaching from either their toxic pattern in the past and they're really working on that, but probably they had some trait which was spoiling their relationship, and now they're rebuilding it with lot of love, care and togetherness, strengthening your bonds. And few of you, I feel, they're going to open their wings and they say, it's not working for me, let me leave. Okay, so there is a breakup. And so two kinds of energy for Aquarians. Depends on your circumstances. Okay. But 90% of people, I feel, will rebuild their relationship, and 10% of people will say, okay, it's done, I'm leaving. Okay. So yeah, beautiful reading, lovely messages. And I hope all of you don't break up and people come together and understand and rebuild everything that they had made and worked hard on for so long. Okay. So let's see what is a universal message. Get lost. What a message. Okay. Fail deep into the realm of imagination. So the message is that go back into your imagination, go back into your mind, go back into your dreams, and then the answer, what you're looking for, you will find it over there. So I feel that, sorry, it's not fail, it's fall. Not wearing my specs. Fall deep into the realm of imagination. So fall back into your dreams, fall back into imagination, and see what you are seeking in life. Whatever you want, just imagine it. Go back into your, sometimes, we have these strong dreams and we don't understand what they are. Just go back into your dream and then ask a question, why did I have this dream? You will understand, right? You will understand. Everybody knows the answers, let me tell you. We all know the answer, heart of heart. We just need to find it by working on our imagination, going back into our dreams and checking ourselves, right? That's all for today. Okay, do share this video with your family and friends, and email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless. Hari Om Tat Sat.